In this video, we are going to learn how do we find LCM of two or more than two numbers. The different methods. So we will discuss all the methods. The first method it is a division method, and the second method it is a prime factorization method. Right. Now we will consider one example here. I want to find the LCM of 12 and 16. So these are the numbers are given to us. So you know very well the division method. So in the division method, first we will write this both of them. We will try to divide this both the numbers by the highest common factor. So what is the highest common factor of this both of them? 4 it is there. But most probably if you have more than two numbers, please don't divide it by the highest common factor. Better to go to divide it by the prime numbers only. In two table, we can write to 6 the 12 and this is 2 8 the 16 will come. Again in two table, dividing by the two table, 2 3 the 6 and 2 4 the 8. So once you check the last step, 3 and 4 we got it. So 4 will have the factors 1, 4, 2. It will use by 2 table, but 3 will not use by 2 table. That means there is no common factor for this both of them other than the 1. 1 it is only the common factor. So that means in the final step we got two numbers which are co-prime to each other. So we will stop the division till here only. This division method also we call it as synthetic division method. Right. So now what will be the LCM? LCM means least common multiple. Is that write the product of this all the numbers here 2 2 3 into 4. So I think their product will be becomes 2 to the 4 4 3 the 12 12 4 the 48 will come. This is the LCM. In the division method it's over. Now I want to find the LCM of these both the numbers in the another method. So let us to go to discuss the another method by writing the multiples method. So in this method, what do we do? First, we'll take the both the numbers 12 and 16 and try to write its all the multiples. So I want to write the multiples of 12 as well as the multiples of 16 also. So you know very well the multiples of 12 means you need to write the numbers which will exactly divide by the 12. So the least multiple of 12 it is 12. The least multiple of 16 it is itself 16. Okay, the number itself it is the least multiple of itself. And here you write the numbers, those numbers which are divisible by the 12 table. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48. These all are the multiples of 12. And multiples of 16 are 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48, 16 4 is 64. 16 5 is 80, 16 6 is 96, like that it will come. So now better to identify now the common multiples of these both of them. I think here the common multiples are there 48 and 48. These are the common multiple. And again we'll have one more common multiple. It will come here the 96. If you write that all the multiples of 12 also here, I know very well 12 8 and 96 will come here. Okay, 12 4 is 48, 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 72, 12 7 is 84, 12 8 is 96, 12 9 is 198, like that it will come. So once you identify the common multiple, the which one it is a common multiple, that is gives us the LCM of the given two numbers only. I am writing that least common multiple of these both of them. These are all the common multiples 48, 96, and one more number also will come. Many numbers also common multiples will come. The least one will be the 48 only. That is the LCM of these given two numbers. So you can understand by this statements. So we got the 48 it is a common one of the common multiple of 12 and 16. So what are the multiples of 48? They will come again the common multiples. 48 2 is 96, 48 3 is how much it is? I think that is 144. That will come in the both multiples of 12 and 16. Okay, so like that we can do the we can able to find the LCM of the two numbers by writing the multiples method. Now let us to go to the another method, prime factorization method. So I am taking the same example only, 12 and the same numbers. In all of these methods you must get the LCM as 48 only. Check them once. So in the prime factorization method, what we do, we'll write this both the numbers, and we'll try to express this both the numbers as a product of the prime factors. For that one, please better to you write this both the numbers separately and divide it by the prime numbers. 2 6 is 12 and it is 2 3 is 6 will come. And by the 2 table, if you divide it 2 8 and 2 4 to 2 ja. So you know very well this division process, and I am writing this all the prime factors. 2 into 3 for the 12, and for 16 it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So whenever you are finding that already we discussed about that HCF in the last class, whenever you are finding that HCF, just we need to round off that common factors, and after round offing that all the common factors, and we will multiply them, that product will be the HCF of the given numbers will come. But we are going to find here the LCM. So for that one, better to understand it properly, try to express this prime factorization, both of them in the exponential notation form. So this 2 into 2 into 3 can witness 2 square into 3 to the power of 1. Is it clear to you? 2 into 2 in the exponential form 2 square, and 3 it is alone, it is there 3 power 1. And the next one it is 2 power 4, it is there, right? 2 into 2 into 2 like that. 4 multiples are there. 4 times of 2 equal factors are multiplied. We can write it as 2 raised to the power of 4. So now I want to write here the HCF here. That HCF is that, no, LCF is that only the number which is the least common multiple we have to write. So for that one, in case of HCF, we need to identify the whose powers are the less, that common factor which right. Find LCM, you go to the same type of exponents, 2 square and 2 to the power of 4, which will have the power more. Here the 4, it is the highest power, it is there now. So that term we have to take it here. So 2 to the power of 4. Okay now, among these two factors, 2 square, 2 power 4, 2 power 4 we need to write. But in case of HCF, we will write only the 2 square. The least one we have to write, the common factors. But here, multiple means, here, which one it is a multiple of the other one? 2 square it value, it is 4 is the 2 square value, and 2 power 4 it is 16. 16 it is a multiple of 4 na? So that's why 16 should come here. And one more factor it is a 3 power 1 L only. That factor also we need to write it here. So 16, 2 to the power of 4, it is 16 only. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 will come. And 16 into 3, 48 will come. This is the LCM of the numbers by using the prime factorization method. So I hope you people understood these 3 methods. How do you find that LCM in the 3 different methods? Okay, so let us meet in the another video tomorrow, and please practice this type of problems, LCM problems, very carefully, HCF and LCM. And after the completion of some more introduction part it is there, I will introduce it in the next video. And after the completion of the introduction of HCF and LCM of 2 or more than 2 numbers, and we will go to discuss some more problems in the next video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe it, and try to press that bell button. Thank you very much, all of you.